Alright guys, welcome back to Shelly Belly Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to be showing you guys how to make one of my favorite dishes, Jamaican style oxtails. These are the seasonings that we'll be using tonight. That right there at the end is some garlic paste that I made about a few days ago. So I already went ahead and washed the meat. I washed it with some lemon juice and some vinegar. I also already combined the seasonings that I will be using. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pour this all over the meat. I'm gonna go ahead and rub this thing down. I'll be right back. Season the meat. Now it's time to add some pimento seeds. Not too much. That's about it. Combine that again, and I'm gonna take it to the stove. So the stove have already been getting hot. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with some vegetable oil. Not too much. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with browning the meat. To be honest, I did not let this seasoning sit on the meat overnight. To be honest with you, you really don't need to. You can if you want. A lot of people would say season your meat, throw it in the fridge. But all the seasons that I threw together on here, the flavors will come through. So let's get started. But be careful you don't burn yourself when you're doing this. You're gonna have your stove on about a medium heat. It's been about 10 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and check the progress on the meat. Wow, look at that. I added no water. And this thing made its own juices. See that? I also didn't put any brown in. And it's already getting its own color. So you want this to get caramelized on the bottom. Once the water starts to evaporate, that's when you go ahead and add a little bit of water from your kettle. Alright. I'm going to put the lid back on and come back and check on it again another 5 to 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. This is how we're looking. See? It's going to get brown. So just keep doing this until it comes to the color you want. Alright, so this is what you want to see. I'm going to go ahead and add some water. Not too much. Meat is nice and brown. I'm going to go ahead and add some seasoning that I chopped up. Tomato, onions, scallions, thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper. I ran out of bell peppers, but you guys can add that as well. And you see the pot got quiet, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this up, the heat up to high. I'm going to go ahead now and add some more water to this. So all in all, this has been cooking now for about an hour. So we're going to add add this water. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of that garlic paste that I made. I'll say about a teaspoon. Add about a tablespoon of butter. Add some ketchup. The butter and the ketchup helps with the gravy. Thickens the gravy, rather. So I'm gonna let this simmer for about 30 minutes. Let this meat cook down, get nice and tender. We'll come back and check on it. And we go from there. So again, I didn't add any browning to this. And you see the meat came together, the color came together pretty nicely. But if you want, at this point, you could add a little bit of browning if you have some. But I don't usually add any. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished. It's been 30 minutes now. I'm gonna come and check to see what's going on. Ooh, steamy. So as you can see, looking good. And go ahead and just taste it, make sure the flavors came together. Perfect. I do want mine to be a little bit sweeter. I'm just gonna go ahead and add about a tablespoon or two of this brown sugar here. You don't have to do this. I like mine to be sweet and spicy. Let me go ahead and grab a clean spoon. So the meat still needs some more time to cook. It's getting there. I checked it before. Still a little tough. Not too tough. But I could put the fork through it, so that's good. So I'm going to give this another 30 minutes. And at that point, I'm going to go ahead and add some butter beans. But this is looking good. So hey guys, this is actually the next day. This oxtail was taking a lot longer to cook than anticipated, and I was kind of tired. So it's finally finished. As you can see, the meat is finally coming off the bones. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those butter beans. These beans are already cooked, so you kind of just basically warming it up. So I'll say just let it cook down for another 5-10 minutes, and it's all done. So you can go ahead and eat this with some white rice or some rice and peas. I'm making mine with some white rice. If you want to see more step-by-step videos like this, go ahead and like and subscribe. Also leave a comment down below and let me know how this dish came out for you. Until next time.